Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I did get my September BoxyCharm. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a $25 a month beauty subscription box that comes to you with around 4 to 5 beauty products. Now, you do actually get a choice of one product, so that I think usually depends on how the rest of your box is going to go. That's what I think. I'm not sure if it is true, but I noticed if I do pick certain products, my box will be a certain way. Now, let's see what I got. I don't think I actually chose anything this month. I figured I would say, you know what, go ahead, have fun. Because I don't think I found or I saw anything that I really wanted in the choice selection. I'm not sure. But I do have variation 44, and the theme is glam vibes only. On the back, it does show everything that I got along with the retail value. So let's see. Okay, a couple good things. The first thing that I'm pulling out is from Billion Dollar Beauty, and it is a beauty sponge, vegan and charcoal infused. There you go. I actually don't use sponges, but I do know somebody that will, so she's getting a new sponge. Let's see the retail value. The retail value of this sponge is $15. Let's look and see. The next thing I got is from Pharmacy, and it is the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. There you go. I do actually like Pharmacy products quite a bit, and I do like a good vitamin C formula for under your eyes, so quite excited. Let's open it up and see what it actually looks like here. Okay. Alright, that's actually what it looks like. Let's see if I can actually get you guys to see it. Decent size, and for eye cream, it's not going to be something that you're using a lot of. It's just something you tap underneath your eyes and you're usually fine. So this is a good size, and if you like it, you can always grab some more. Let's see how much it retails for. This retails for $45. This better be amazing. But yep, it says delivers instant radiance to the under eye area, or to the eye area, I'm sorry. So where I'm going to put it is my under eye. Fragrance-free formula. Yeah, very cool. I'm excited. It's supposed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. I hope so. Works for me. The next thing I got is from Laura Geller, and it is the Volumizing Mascara. That's what it looks like. Oh, before and after pictures. There you go. I actually have quite a few mascaras open right now, so I'm not going to open this one, but I will definitely do something later on about even like doing a review with some of this makeup that I do get. We'll see. If not, I'll definitely give this to somebody that can use it. Let's see how much this rents. This is retailing for $24. It says go the extra mile and give your lashes an enhanced lengthening and curling effect. Cool. Yeah, very cool. If I can't use it, I know somebody that definitely can. Oh, okay. I saw spoilers to this and I was quite excited. This is from Hank and Henry, and it is the Lip Love Luxe lipstick. There's a package. Let's see. I saw a couple people get this and the packaging looked really pretty. So let's see. Yep. It's lighter than I thought it was going to be, but here's the packaging. Very pretty. And you just push. It comes out there. And let's see the color I got. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, but the sparkle is so pretty. There you go. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I normally don't use lipstick. I'm a very big fan of the liquid lipstick, but I don't know. This is really pretty. I might have to try this. Close it up. Oh, such pretty packaging. Sucker for packaging. I don't know if I told you the retail value of this, but this retails for $18. Let's see. It's supposed to be moisturizing. Yeah, really pretty. I'll definitely try to use this. Let's see what my final product is. Alrighty, we have a palette here, so I will definitely be doing a look tomorrow morning. This is from Alamar, I believe. Yep, Alamar. This is a Spanglish pressed pigment palette. That's what it looks like. Let's see the... Okay. Very pretty colors. Let's do that. Oh, I can definitely come up with a look tomorrow. Ooh, very nice. Okay. Yeah, very pretty palette. And I actually have Alamar on today, go figure. I got a palette, I think last year from them that I really enjoyed. And yeah, I'm excited. I get to use this tomorrow, and you guys can kind of see how it performs then. I'll just do like a little get ready with me kind of thing, I guess. And yep, go from there. I want to swatch the lipstick just to see if it's something I can do tomorrow, or wear tomorrow I will. If not, okay. Oh, okay, not a bad color at all. That's what the lipstick's gonna look like. I might actually just be able to use that tomorrow too, and give you guys a little video with testing it out. But I think I had a nice box. Let's see. Yeah, that is everything. So there we go. I know this was later than a lot of the other videos were, but we're dealing with a lot of stuff right now, so I'm just happy it came and none of the products were broken, and all of it seems pretty nice. And like I said, things that I can't use, I definitely know people that will, or I have a local women's shelter that I can donate to. So either way, it's going to go to good use. Just a quick reminder that you are genuine. You are charming. You are beautiful. And if today's not a good day, it's okay, because all we can do is try. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.